What, you hear that water? I hear water.
Enjoy life.
Oh, look, I think there's the big water up there. Wait, she has a wig like in her hand. Look at that. Tanisha, put it in your bag. Put it in your bag. Put it in your bag. You can't walk around like that. Put it in your bag. Look at that. Wow. That's cool. I hope there's no snakes out here. Is there any snakes in this garden? Yeah. How do you know? Stop. She's like making animal noises. I don't like animal noises. Stop.
Try going down those stairs. You hear me?
Huh?
Try going down those stairs.
I know, that's a lot of water. She is such a crybaby. Like, we're in nature. This is what happens when you're in nature. What's that say? Please don't walk in the beds. Okay. I hear water, so we're gonna go towards the water. Oh my God, I feel like I'm like up high or something. What is this? A water fountain? Wow, this is pretty.
A beep.
It's supposed to be like a, there's like a water show like this somewhere in this area. I'm not sure where it's at, but it's like a water show. We gotta find it because it starts at 11:15. I don't really like nature, guys. It says the Meadow Garden. We are committed to keeping paths and trails cleared. However, watch your step. That's what that says. So, you know, I don't really know about nature, but I decided to do it. So we're doing activities with the family like once a week. So probably what, Atlantic City next week. Oh, look at that trail. I wonder where that one goes. Is that a lot of people over there? Is that people or what? Or am I seeing things?
You just want to see what you want to see.
No, what is that? A bridge?
You already know it's a bridge.
That's a bridge over there. Okay.
Are we early?
Are we early? That is not happening right now. Yeah, go ahead, click it on. I'm talking to the guy on FaceTime.
At this point, I don't know it.
What?
Mommy,
What?
I didn't go get a touch of it. Mommy.
No, you can't. You can't because this thing is here.
And what is this butt from doing?
Frank, you can't. Alright guys, it started raining, so we had to come under here and take shelter under here. I knew it was going to rain because it, you know, it said it was on the news. I just didn't listen to it, but it's storming and raining and we're stuck behind in the woods. So if it stops, we'll show some more. If it doesn't, I'm just going to end the vlog and hope that you guys enjoy it.